We're getting a pork roast started in the slow cooker this morning. Okay, so we've got the roast in there. We're gonna put some brown sugar on top, about a 1/4 cup. Now we need some chili powder. This is a Texas pulled pork. A little bit of ground thyme. Okay. About a tablespoon of mustard. Just drizzling it on there. And a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay. A little apple cider vinegar. A little bit of chicken broth. And a cup of barbecue sauce. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Some minced onion. That's it. Now we're gonna cook it on high for 6 hours, but you can do low for 8 to 10. I'm gonna go 6.5. It's called granny cake.
Granny cake.
Yes. Granny cake.
But a granny didn't make it.
Right. If y'all missed this video, I'll link it down below.
Mama made it.
It hugs you, doesn't it? It's a hug.
Granny just hugged me.
All right, we're going to the Western store real quick, and I need to stop by a store because I thought I ordered plain potato chips because we like to eat plain potato chips with pulled pork, you know. I thought I ordered plain potato chips, but I got salt and vinegar. Sissy was like, "Oh, you got salt and vinegar chips?" And I was like, "No, I didn't." And she was like, "Salt and vinegar?" I was like, "Oh." Yeah, I did. I accidentally got salt and vinegar potato chips, which is not a bad thing for those of us who love salt and vinegar. We came into the dollar store real quick.
Football.
Yeah.
But it's here, everybody.
Yeah.
It's here. Hold on.
Campfire and s'mores.
That's really good.
Is it?
Here we go down this road again.
Yeah.
There's all different kind of roads in my place. There's smooth roads. That one's a smooth road.
Are these only $1?
There's bumpy roads. It's $3.
How much is the campfire and s'mores?
3. Apple pie.
Yeah, homemade apple pie. That's pretty. How much are you? Only $1? Oh, they have a pumpkin pie one. That's cute. We came in here to get the buns and chips and ice instead of trying to go to Betty's because I bet it would be a lot of traffic going through there and we would be stuck there for a minute. They have these signs too, welcome and hello fall. Let's see how much they are compared to like Dollar Tree. These are $9, so they're still cheaper at Dollar Tree for these kind of things. You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Where are we eating, Manny?
Your pie?
Your pie. Of course, we have to come into Scoops if we eat at Your Pie.
I want a ball.
You want that?
Actually, what are those little squishy things at?
These things are fun. They'll never, ever stop going.
Yeah.
I want this ball thing.
Is that what you want?
A real deal.
Yeah, it's a real deal one.
It probably.
Manly saw one of those somewhere and he was like, a real one?
Fry.
Okay. Look, there's a gummy pizza. Gummy pickle, gummy bear, gummy frog, gummy shark, gummy hot dogs.
Yeah, but look how big that shark is.
Yeah. There's a whole gummy breakfast.
Sneaky.
Okay.
Don't. You can get one of these.
I got a lot of stuff in here.
Yeah.
I mean,
There's the 49 flavors of Jelly Belly all mixed together. Or they got 5 flavors, sours, Jelly Belly fruit bowl, Jelly Belly cotton candy.
wanna get some of them gumballs?
Yeah. Please take a bag, fill it with all your favorites, bring it to the register to weigh.
All right.
That's good, yeah. Fried eggs. Sour bubblegum bottles.
Can I get a bag?
Yeah, if that's what you want to get. Triple sour.
I mean, look at my bag.
How much does this weigh?
Jonah.
Yeah, but look at mine. This is at least 1 pound.
I'm guessing a pound, close to a pound and a half.
1.76.
Here's mine. It don't matter. We can just put them in one bag. You know what I mean?
Would you rather me just put it in one bag?
Yeah, we just put these in one.
Okay.
Bubble gum, anyone?
Welcome to Monday, y'all. I gotta grab my recipe books real quick. I'm working on the meal plan. This weekend flew by so fast. It feels like it was just Friday yesterday, and now it's Monday. So I made the pulled pork, on Saturday, and I was thinking I would have a lot left over because it was huge. And I thought with the leftovers on Sunday, I was gonna make kind of like a shepherd's pie type thing, but it was gonna be pulled pork, like pulled pork with mashed potatoes. But we didn't have enough left over. Everybody loved it. It definitely smelled good. It smelled like a barbecue house in here because, most of the time when I make pulled pork, I don't put the barbecue sauce. I don't put any barbecue sauce in the slow cooker. Just the pulled pork and seasonings or whatever I put in there. But I've never put the barbecue sauce in to cook that whole time in the slow cooker. So I'm not sure if that's what made it smell so amazing, but it did. It smelled like a barbecue house in here. I got some coffee. It's hazelnut, well, it's just 8 o'clock coffee with hazelnut creamer and the little bit of pumpkin spice on top. It's great. So yeah, yesterday, I'm looking for my pen, there it is. So yesterday, since I didn't have enough of the pork left over to make the recipe I was gonna make, we went to eat at Your Pie after church. That's that pizza place. We've taken y'all to it before. They have really good pizza there and wings, and it's right beside the Scoops ice cream parlor and candy shop. So we went in there after, because every time we eat there, the kids want to go in the candy store since it's right there. So they were all looking for what they wanted to get. And Titus got that bubble gum, just a few pieces, like I think 5 or 6 pieces, I don't know. And then Jonah was like, can I get a bag? And I said, yeah, if that's what you want. He got a bag. All right, he did. He didn't know it was gonna come out that fast. And so when he pulled that handle down, it was like, boom, all these gumballs came out. I was laughing so hard in there, y'all. I could not stop laughing. because you can't put it back. Like, they can't take it back. Whatever you get, you have to buy then. So almost 2 pounds of bubble gum came home with us. It was very funny. Most of the time, Jonah doesn't get bubble gum. I mean, like every now and then he will, but most of the time he wants something like some kind of Sour Patch Kids or something like that, you know. So I thought that's what he was gonna get. And that stuff doesn't come out as fast, you know, because it's kind of sticky and like, I think even some of the sour stuff you have to get out with tongs, you know. I thought that's what he was gonna get. And then when we heard those bubble gum, and then whenever we put it up there and she weighed Jonah's, Titus was like, here's mine. And he had just like those 5 pieces, and here's Jonah's huge bag. He already divided it out and gave some people some. That's what he's got left.
We're not eating anymore.
Yeah, we're all tired of bubble gum now. Okay, so yeah, I gotta work on the meal plan. I just grabbed this week a fall recipes book because it's almost time. Taste of Home's Blue Ribbon Winter's Cookbook, recipes from the ranch. And this one, Taste of the South. This is one of my favorite magazines. I've made so many recipes out of this one. I mean, I need to get it updated because this is from September, October 2023. So it's a really old one. But there are still some recipes in here I haven't made. So these are the ones I grabbed to meal plan from this week. Let's see. The only thing we didn't end up doing that I planned over the weekend was the sheet pan nachos. We haven't done that yet, so I'll go ahead and put that down for a day. Hash smash, we made that before. I think it wasn't too long ago that we made the hash smash. Okay, I have this marked. I marked it a long time ago, and I just don't know about it. Like, it seems good, but then at the same time, it doesn't seem like it would be good. It's mac and cheese lasagna. Have y'all ever had that before? Is it good? Yeah, we've made lasagna, but not with macaroni and cheese. It looks like there's not lasagna noodle. I don't think there are any lasagna noodles anyway. It's just the macaroni and cheese as the noodles. I wonder, I don't know. Well, I have mixed feelings about that one. Oh, this pumpkin buckle looks good. I can't remember if we made this or not, but if we did or if we didn't, we're gonna be making it soon.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look good?
Yeah,
look at that.
Let's mark that down for
Yes, we're marking this down. We are marking this down. Pumpkin buckle coming soon. Here's some, I think I'll make this bacon thyme spoon bread to go with something sometime this week. Maybe Salisbury steaks. I've really been wanting some Salisbury steaks. I think I'll put that down for one day, and we'll make this spoon bread. Tonight we're having leftover pizza because I forgot to tell y'all this. When we were at Your Pie, I ordered one big pizza, and then some of the kids got individual pizzas. Me and Titus had the wings and all. But I ordered one big pizza that was all pepperoni and then peppers on half of it. And when they made the dough, something happened with the dough, and so a couple of pieces got messed up on the one side, and they gave us a whole other pizza. That was very nice of them because it wasn't messed up that bad to us, but they were like, we've got you another one in the oven that you can take home with you. So we've got that whole pizza in there, plus still like probably 15 wings or more, I don't even know. So that's what we're having tonight, leftover pizza and wings, and I've got some salad stuff in there.
I think this would be good for tonight too.
Oh yeah, chicken pot pie. This one is also a favorite, recipes from the ranch. Most of these books I get from Ollie's. They have the best price on cookbooks. Like this one was only $7.99. I think I'm gonna do this King Ranch chicken casserole. Now I'll go ahead and put in all the ingredients for the things I need for these suppers in my cart, and boom, I've got the biggest part of the grocery order done.